the anatomy of your spring-loaded brace. Strap 1, strap 2, strap 3, and strap 4. The power switch, the hinge, and most importantly, the spring. On the top of your brace, you'll find a small spot to adjust the assistance of the spring. If you are setting up your Levitation brace for the first time, please read the Adjusting the Fit section of your Guide to Levitation. To set up your brace, you will need your Allen key, your extra pads, and a pair of scissors. The power switch is used to engage and disengage the assistance. When changing power modes, your brace must be completely straight. For setup, it's ideal for Levitation to be in low power mode. If you have purchased the optional Levitation offloader add-on, install using the guidance of a physician before setting up your Levitation brace. Pull back the Velcro on all straps to undo, and pull through the Velcro retainer. Folding Velcro back and adhering it to the strap will keep it out of the way while you are placing it on your leg. From a seated position, put your foot through the middle of your brace. Align the center of the hinge with the center of your knee. Set up strap 3 first. Feed the end of the strap through the corresponding Velcro retainer. Pull away from your leg until snug, and fold the excess over your shin. Set up strap 2 and 4 in the same way you set up strap 3. Over-tightening strap 2 could cause the brace to sit too far forward on your knee. Set up strap 1 next. Wrap the strap around the back of your thigh and feed the end of the strap through the Velcro retainer. Pull away from your leg to tighten, and wrap the excess around the back of your leg. Adjusting the fit. Ensure the brace hinge is aligned with the center of your knee. All straps can be shortened with scissors if there is excess material. Remove the butterfly Velcro tab on the end of the strap and trim the length as needed. Reattach the Velcro tab before using your brace. To further customize your fit, you can use the thicker pads found in your box. All the pad positioning can be adjusted by pulling to release the Velcro and reseating the new pad in a more comfortable place. Additional support can be provided by attaching the offloader add-on to your Levitation brace. See the offloader add-on instructional video. How to adjust the strength of your brace assistance. To start, place your brace in high power mode. Find the small hole on the top of your brace, and inside you should see a silver cap. Place the Allen key inside the silver cap and turn counterclockwise to decrease the assistance. If you want to increase the assistance, you can do the same thing but turn clockwise.